train your dinner guests at, or how to have like a good Diwali dinner, because that's what we're doing today. My mom and dad are coming over, and I think I'm good at all of this, fancying up stuff. So I've got my tissue papers here. These are normal tissue papers. You can just keep them like as is. You get these designer ones at for 50 rupees a pack, and these are actually really helpful. We don't use these as a regular napkins. These are only out when we have dinner guests. And then I've got this potted plant potter, or I don't know what this is basically, but you can get these really cheap, like for 10-20 rupees even. And in that I just arrange my napkins really nicely. I have a I'm going to add in these napkins to this as well. For the center of the table, we have this Lazy Susan here. If you don't have it, that's still okay. You can still do the same thing. I've got this really nice golden placemat to kind of make it look a little different. It's uneven, as you can see, asymmetrical. Simultaneously, on everyday basis, I like to use this, which is a golden basket. Ignore the dirty achar ki dabbis. So if you have like things like achar ki dabbis, hingoli, little tiny little things that you want to keep while your guests are over, you can use the basket. It's so much more easier. Plus, to give this to someone, you can just pick the basket up with both the hands, of course. But if you don't want anything here, you just want this to be like a fancy piece, just take this. You can add a little bit of flowers to this if you want. I'm going to add my napkins here as well, and I'm going to go ahead and add this, which is a diffuser. I've got this diffuser going since morning, so that by the time the guests arrive, the house is kind of like has a nice even smell to it. I feel I should add something here. I still haven't decided what. I have just added like a couple of candles here. I'm not 100% sure with this. I might change this by evening, but I think these flowers and those kind of go together. There you go. I found some interesting tidbits to add to this. Ta-da! One thing to keep this in mind is, of course, that since it's a round thing, you want to make sure that it looks good from every angle, because people would be sitting around this obviously. I've added a bit of like a touch of orange to add color to this area, plus to kind of go with that orange, we go with these pinks here, so this makes it a little more colorful than usual. I've got these sets out for dinner. So the key with mixing sets is because nobody really has like 10-15 plates of the same design. So what you want to do is kind of stick to similar patterns and color scheme. So if I have floral, I'm going to take out the other set that is also floral and has blues and greens in it. This one also has orange. So what I've done is I've taken out the katoris from this set as well. I've taken out katoris from this set, and I've also taken out katoris from a different set that has again a similar color scheme, but also has like wait, I'll show you guys, which makes more sense. So this is from the set that I'm using as plates. This is the set that I have for bowls, and then this is a third one which basically also kind of goes with it but still doesn't. This will obviously only work if you have same colors. If you have one pink, one blue, it can look good if that's the kind of color scheme you're going for. Then keeping this in mind, I've gotten blue and yellow serving options out. This is a little bit colorful, but again, Indian dinners are colorful, and this is for Diwali, so basically all of this works well together. बंद कर दूँ? ये अपने आप बंद होता है. Ariveer is just brushing his teeth with this. मुझे नहीं करना brush. हो गया बंद. So basically you can switch the light on in this toothbrush, and once you do it, it blinks till 2 minutes. So that's the amount of time you're supposed to brush your teeth for. So it's obviously for an older child, but I really love looking at the light. My sister gifted this to us. Bathroom में रख दूँ? Bathroom में रख देते हैं. So basically I've gotten all of this out to wash before dinner time. क्या बन रहा है? जूस. किसका जूस? दादी का. अरे भी कौन बना रहा है? दादी. दादी बना रही है. और आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप क्या कर रहे हो? मम्मा गोदी में. मम्मा गोदी में हो? मम्मा गोदी से नीचे उतरने हैं? नहीं. Those are our outfits of the night. I also have one little feverish cranky baby with me. So, कौन है मेरा बच्चा? Ta-da! I got this light going. I've got a jasmine scented candle going. That lamp, I've got some lights here, and I've lit those two. The lotuses I think I lit only on Diwali because I'm a little afraid that if I light them and they go dark, and then on the Diwali day it just looks a little odd. So that's why I haven't lit these four. But got some festive vibe going around here. I haven't got enough battery, but I wanted to put like another. I have a battery operated light here and I wanted to put it, but I don't have batteries right now, so I'll get it and then we'll put one over here as well. Num 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 num. We have in our menu aloo jeera, dal makhni, and paneer, all made by my mother-in-law, and raita, onions, khiras. Ta-da! The chef. ये पापा की डिश है.
पापा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
कितनी देर लगता है? उस पर लिखा होगा 10 मिनट होता है शायद. इस पे लिखा होता है. Hello guys, my mom and dad have just left. Adivir also has just slept. He hasn't been well at all since morning, and we've been forced to give him a little bit of screen time because otherwise he was just refusing to leave me. So when he's ill, he just wants to be held by me and nobody else. The only other person that he's okay with, you know, who can take him in his godi is my husband, and that's it. And even then, if he's feeling really ill, he wants me. Because of which, so if I have to do something, or even if I have to go to the washroom, we have to, you know, kind of show him the screen, because that is the only other way in which he's convinced to go into, you know, to go sit with someone else. So that's been happening today, basically. I'm hoping he'll get well tomorrow, but usually from what I've noticed in the last, well, almost 2 years, his fever does last a couple of days. So I hope he doesn't have fever tomorrow, but I think he still might have fever tomorrow. So I don't know. I know, I can just send us your good wishes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.